Hi and welcome. Today we are looking at a 7 inches learning tablet for kids. This is running Android. It has a dual camera. You can access the Google Play Store. It has parental control, 32 gigabytes of internal memory, Wi-Fi, and many more. And on the back you can see some of the specifications. It comes with 2 gigabytes of RAM. Operating system Android, like I said, Bluetooth version 4.0. That's still good. The latest one available now is 5.3, I think. Probably they are working on 5.4. Screen resolution is acceptable at 1024 by 600. Processor frequency is 1.6 gigahertz and it's a quad core. That's good. Like I said, 32 gig ROM, 7 inches HD display, and a built-in non-removable 3000 milliampere battery. So let's remove this, and it looks like it comes in 3 different colors. One is pink, one I guess is red, and one it's blue. And we have the one in blue. So that's the tablet itself. It comes in this rubber case, which is very good if you drop it. Also, in case ends up in with a younger child and they might chew on it, this is rubber, so that would be okay. So I mean, it's not going to be okay, but just it's not going to cause any major issues, I guess. You have a user manual and you have a screen protector that you can apply. That's a film, not a glass. I think it comes with one already pre-installed by the looks of it. And in this other section, I think we have a charger. Yeah, so they give you a plug, USB-A to USB-C, and that's expanding like that. It's quite good. We'll put this back in because I'm not really planning to use it. Actually, leave it there for now. I made sure that this is fully charged and already configured. So with configuring these types of tablets, it's just your normal setup that you do with any Android phone. So you could do that yourself. Let's have a quick look. So it comes with this kind of like antenna kind of like look. You can also learn the alphabet in here. That's the power button, space for the microphone, camera, front camera, back camera, microphone. This is like a stand, so if you push it up, it's not very easy though, but you drag it out like that, and then you can adjust it. It has 2 positions and it will just stay like that. But I just want to remove a bit this so we could have a closer look at the product. As you can see, that's just a protective case, and that's the tablet. It's a 7 inches tablet, USB-C on the top, microphones, power button, as you can see also says in here, volume rocker up and down, micro SD card. I'm not sure exactly what's the capacity for that, probably not very high. Power button, like I said, USB type C for charging, microphone, that's just a air vent. The camera is basic camera, speakers, and that's it. That's all you can see. So let's just turn it on. So it starts like this: EagleSoar powered by Android Go edition. So as you can see, that's starting live now. It was fully shut down before, so this is how long you will take until it boots. I'll just leave it here so you could see, not pausing the video or anything. It just takes a bit of time to start because obviously of the specs and of the price, and but once it starts and is running. So as you can see, it comes with a screenshot, a wallpaper like that. You can set a pin. I think I've done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, which obviously I don't suggest you to do. Use something stronger. Your kid will already know that. And then again, tablet is still starting, and you can see you have some buttons in here on the bottom, on the dock. You have the volume, so you can control the volume from here as well. Decrease, increase. And then you have your normal, recent apps. Back to the menu and back. There's also, if you swipe up, I think even if you swipe left, no, up, you end up into all the apps that you have installed. So you have a lot of kids apps in here. You have I Wanna, which I'm not really sure exactly what it is. So it could be used for kids and properly locked, or it could be used for teens as well. And as you can see, I think it has pre-installed already a screen protector on it. Yes, I'm not really sure what is this. Let's see if we can exit. I thought it's a game. You have iDraw, so you can get your child to draw something. Let's just exit this. You might just don't like the sound. Is the volume doesn't go very loud, so don't expect anything. It's okay. Yeah, you have the YouTube for kids as well in there. Even YouTube Music. So you have the Google apps installed. You can use Google Assistant as well by the looks of it. There's also an option in here to, I think, use it under supervised or something like that. Obviously this must be something else. I'm not really sure that's something to watch movies, or I think it's new for Google, and it allows you to watch different things. I think it's their movies or read books or even gaming. Haven't really seen this before, but I know if I go into this, as you can see, it's using Android 13. I think it's a bit hard to hit the settings in there. As you could see, it's just hitting another button because it's overlapping. So I'm gonna try and go from here to the settings. I just want to quickly show you what to expect. So you have like network, Bluetooth, apps. That's a normal Android. Battery percentage, as you can see, it was fully charged, and it already dropped to 8.87%. Sorry, 89%. 7 hours and 52 minutes left, it says. But because it's new, you could just monitor and improve the battery in time based on usage. That's how much storage you have left. 23 gigabytes free. You can set sound settings, display. It doesn't have automatic display brightness. Actually, it does. Okay, sorry, it looks like it does have adaptive brightness. So when you go through the configuration settings, it will ask you if you want to set it up as for kids, and I'm not sure if it's from here, or I'll have a quick look and I'll tell you. Because it has all kind of stuff for parents. And so you see in here it says add content restrictions and set other limits. So you just you can go and set up parental controls, and then you see with Google's Family Link, supervise this tablet remotely with the Family Link app. So probably you will send notifications on your Google devices, as you can see. So who will be using this device? You can say child or teen, and then let's see what's next. As you can see, it's responsive, but then it's also slow at times, so don't have high expectations of it. In terms of sturdiness, it bends a bit when I try to, or maybe I think it's just flexing a bit, but very little. Otherwise it's very sturdy. Not sure if it does anything. I'll pause the video a bit and see. Okay, so the next step will be just to link your parent account to continue to the family link. For that, please Google it. I'm sure there's steps online. I'm not gonna go through that, but that will literally restrict a lot of things, and you will send you notifications. You know, in case your child is trying to use anything that he shouldn't. Otherwise, it's just like any Google phone. Doesn't seem like it has rotation. Let's see if it's blocked in here. If we do on auto rotate, okay, so it works in portrait mode as well, which I kind of like. Let's see how it looks like. But again, you see that the screen is not the best. If you go closer, you can see, not sure if you can pick up that from there, but yeah, viewing angles, they're pretty basic. You can see white will become reddish kind of. I'm not sure if you can pick up that from there. I guess you can. But otherwise, you know, it's just a simple device. You don't want to spend too much money, you know, for your kid, especially when they're young and they accidentally drop things around or throw things. So that will definitely work, and you can install games on it. You can put like a micro SD card, and instead of them using your mobile phone, this could be an alternative. So let me quickly show you the camera as well. See if there's a camera up in here. Yeah. So let's just have a quick look and see. So that's kind of how it is. It will be enough, you know, for them to enjoy taking a photo. Nothing special. As you can see, it has even some lag when you move around. Basic all the way. So it's recording a video. You can switch to the other camera. So let me just quickly do that, so you could see the front one. It's pretty much the same, still pretty basic. Can see, you see more like a reflection. So yeah, it's not the best, but it works. So let me just change that back, and let's have a look if we can play the video we've done earlier. As you can see, it picks up sound. It's very low, but then again, it will be more than enough for your kids. That's how it looks like if you zoom in a bit. So yeah, guys, there you have it. This is the 7 inches tablet for kids. Obviously, you will have it inside this. Now it depends of the age of your kid. They might be fine just using it without this cover, but then again, it's nice that they've included this, and it definitely helps with learning the alphabet, memorizing it, and so on. It's easy to put in, and that's it. Then, you know, at least you have peace of mind if you drop it. They also have a nice handle to hold on, and yeah, I think it works. Let me quickly play a video of YouTube just so you'll get an idea. That's how the viewing angles are, and that's maximum volume. Let's see how it behaves if you fast forward a bit. Okay, not bad. And let's see in terms of, but you see it just jumps automatically by itself outside of this. It did happen to me before. I don't know why I can't really go back into full screen. Maybe the rubber is touching somehow, this rubber case. And then if we do high picture, let's see if it makes any difference. Okay, yeah, it's improving the quality. I mean, you listen, you can't go wrong with this. You know, especially for your child. Obviously, even with this, I don't really recommend to allow your probably child or kid or teen in front of it for a long time, because they will, and you also have to make sure all the time that they're not too close. They're not looking at it from close distance. Make sure they keep it at a certain amount of distance. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed it.